For my next project, I'm going to spray this Ikea crate and make it into a portable coffee table by attaching these wheels at the end. I'm going to spray the inside and the outside different colours. The inside is going to be dark Hessian and the outside is going to be old Hessian. It's really important to prime wood because it absorbs a lot of paint otherwise. I'm first going to prime it all, shaking this well beforehand. It says on the instructions to shake it for a minute, which I have done. I'm going to assemble it at the end rather than before, so I get even coverage over all of it. So now that the primer's dry, I'm going to spray the dark inside first. This chalk base paint needs a lot of shaking. It says on the instructions to shake it upside down for 3 minutes, which I've already done. So now I've done the dark inside, I'm going to do the light outside. Again, I've shaken it well. I find if you keep a good distance, you get a better coverage. So now I've got all the parts sprayed and they're really dry, I can put them back together. Make sure you do leave enough time to make them thoroughly dry, otherwise you'll put them together and they'll start sticking. I'm going to put some wheels on it so I can move it easily around the sitting room to make it a bit more versatile. So that's now done. I really love this chalk effect that PlastiKote Chalk paint gives you, and I love the two colours and the two-tone effect. So that will now go in the sitting room and be very useful.